Hey crafters, thanks for joining me in my unboxing video of the ARTDOT Freestyle stickers. I got mine off Amazon, and as I am recording this video, it was $4.99, originally $9.99. So it's half off as I was recording this video. I am gonna link a link to this particular box in the description below. It might be more expensive by the time you check it out, but as of right now, it is $4.99. However, you can go to their website and get it off there too. But let's dive in quickly and see what we get in this little box. So this is from ARTDOT. On the back, it has the little instructions for it. So it's kind of a freestyle, so you can do what you want, but they did give you a little instructions like A, dark, so like black. B is for any color in succession. C is for white, and this like diamond is for any color. So those are some guidelines, but you don't have to necessarily follow that. My box is a little beat up, but it should be okay. So let's dive in. So the box isn't too big. It's about the size of my hand. This should have 30, I think it was 38 stickers and a toolkit. So let's dive into the toolkit. So this is a little bit nicer of a toolkit, I've noticed. It comes with this nicer looking tray. It is just a plastic tray, so it's not, what is it, 3D printed. And it looks like if you get multiples, it connects. So we'd have to see about that. And then they give you a blue pen with a multi-placer, 3 multi-placer in there, a blue wax heart, and a blue pencil grip or stylus grip. So that's a really nice accessory kit. I really enjoy this type of tray, so that's really nice to get something new. And like I said, it would be awesome if it connects, so that's neat. And then I'm not gonna get all the drills out, but they give you all these drills. I'm not sure how many colors they give you. I don't think it tells you that. It just says 1 set of diamonds, 38 stickers, 1 wax pen. Yeah, so it doesn't tell you how many colors. So I'm gonna say there's probably at least a good 25, 30 colors. So there's all your drills. The drills are a mixture, I think, of type shape. Let's see. So what I mean by that is, I don't really want to get them out, but I like to call it a house on top. So the top of the diamond has like a little house look to it. And then there's some diamonds that have like a little, what do you call it? Like a diamond shape on top. Now they do give you about 4 packets of 3x310s, which is black. Yeah, so these pink ones do look like they have the diamond shape, and the black ones have the house shape. Doesn't really matter. You can use those. You can use your leftover drills. Thing I was mainly excited about, and the reason why I got it, is because my kids have kind of started wanting to diamond paint, but they're not ready to sit for a very long time. So these are really cute things you can do. Like you can make this a pineapple, a pear, a teardrop, a raindrop. You got a moon. You got, and the symbols are really clear, so that's awesome. It does say that this is for any color, and then just that. I don't think, maybe the succession is somewhere, which is B. Oh, sorry, popsicle. So let's see, that's 4. You got a candy, 2 candies, unless that's a mistake. A lollipop, a butterfly, another lollipop. Ooh, a music note. So let's put those together. Music note. A star, to me that looks like a Mario star. A lightning bolt. I think this might be a rose of some sort, or a flower or something. Not sure what that one is. Another type music note. Not a music note, but you know, the thing that goes with the music. A flower, maybe. I'm thinking it's a flower. A ice cream cone. A cupcake with a cherry, maybe. A diamond, pretty. A paw print. A donut. a Celtic, sorry, it's probably Celtic, Irish type looking one, or 4 hearts put together. The rock out symbol sign. I think this is like a lotus flower, so I really like this one. Ooh, we got a unicorn. We got a, is this a flamingo? I think this is a flamingo with hearts. You got a rainbow with clouds. Now, it is a sticker, so you have your sticky side with the clear plastic, and then you can take off the back side and it's a sticker. You have a planet, a heart, a bow, a lightning bolt, a light bulb, a feather, a flower, a happy face. Now this is a candy cane with a thing, or it could be another flower. That would be depending on how you do it. I could see you doing, so this one, I could see it being a flower with green leaves on a stick or on a stem, or I can see it like a candy with the bow and the brown stem. You got a peace sign. So those are just not punched out all the way, but those came out perfectly easy. You got another flower, and then you got a flower like this in the background. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. If I can get them up. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So yes, you get 38 stickers. You get all these drills from all the different colors. You got blues. You got pretty much bright colors. There are a few darker greenish to bluish green. You got a dark blue, like a navy blue. You got plenty of black in there. But yeah, you got all different colors that you can do whatever you want. And then again, you got this nice tray and this nice little box. So this is the reason why I didn't want to take those out, is because I can put everything back in its box. Maybe. And then I can store it and let my kids pick out what they want. These are great for gifts. This would be a great if you want to get your kids or need a gift for a friend's kid. If they're into crafting, this would be a cute little box to get. You can wrap it or put it in a cute little bag, and they can make 38 stickers. This is great for traveling if you guys can craft in the car. I cannot, however. I get car sick looking down. So I really enjoy this. I think for $5, it's a really good deal if you get it off Amazon. Again, I will link a link to that in the description below. Check it out, ARTDOT. They also have a very cute new butterfly one that looks cute. But I think this was pretty good for $5, $10. So check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and please subscribe to my channel.